Hi friends, welcome back. Today we will discuss the Kalam cosmological argument. So let us look the argument. Premise 1. Everything that begins to exist has a cause. Premise 2. Universe has a beginning. Conclusion. Therefore the universe has a cause. If both premise are true, then logically conclusion will be true. Here cause doesn't imply explanation. There are two types of cause, material cause and efficient cause. So take an example of a carpenter. A carpenter took a wood and made a chair. Here chair is the effect. The two causes here are efficient cause and material cause. Carpenter is the efficient cause, and wood is the material cause. Now let's take the first premise. Everything that begins to exist has a cause. Let's check what are the evidence for this premise. We know that something will not come from, or by nothing. The statement something can come from nothing we know is wrong. Here nothing doesn't means a vacuum, or darkness. Socrates said nothing is what rocks dream about. Rocks doesn't dream. That is nothing, it has no properties. If something comes from nothing, then why we can't see a guitar suddenly appearing in front of you, or a flower pop up in front of you. So everything has to come from something. We all experience in our day-to-day life, that if things begin to exist therefore they have a cause. Now let's take the second premise, universe has a beginning. Space-time theorem of general relativity proves that space and time has a beginning with matter and energy. These facts points that everything that has a beginning has a cause. So Stephen Hawking say that time itself has a beginning. Before 1920 everyone believed that universe has no beginning, it is static. But after the coming of Einstein's general theory of relativity, we understood that universe is not static or universe is not eternal. In 1920, Russian mathematician Alexander Vilenkin and Belgian astronomer Georges Lemaitre predicted an expanding universe. In 1929, Edwin Hubble with his telescope proved that universe is expanding. For example, if you reverse the frame of a grenade explosion, we can see how the grenade get compressed. After realizing that universe is expanding, scientists found that space, time and matter has a beginning at the Big Bang. After Big Bang, universe is expanding till now. Next proof for the beginning of universe is the second law of thermodynamics. Our universe is a closed system, no energy is given from outside. So our universe is slowly running out of energy. So if the past is eternal the energy would have drained now itself, so that proves that our past is not eternal. Second law of thermodynamics show that our past is not eternal. So this also proves universe has a beginning. But many people don't like the idea of universe having a beginning. Stephen Hawking in his book, Brief History of Time, wrote, "Many people do not like the idea that time has a beginning, probably because it smacks of divine intervention." Alexander Vilenkin said, "There is no escape, they, cosmologists, have to face the problem of cosmic beginning." So this is a strong argument. Premise 1 is true, and premise 2 is true. Because both premises are true, logically the conclusion is true. The main objection here is, that many skeptics and atheists ask that this argument doesn't prove whether the cause is God or the God of the Bible. Yes, that's true. Kalam cosmological argument only conclude there is a cause. Let's analyze the nature of the cause. Universe is made of space, matter and time, so the cause must be spaceless, timeless and immaterial. For example, if I made a computer, that computer is made of steel, battery etc., but I, who made the computer is not made of steel or battery. In such a way what made space, matter, and time can't be made of space, matter and time. So the cause of the universe is spaceless, timeless and immaterial. Our universe contains lot of energy and has the four fundamental forces, so the cause has to be immersively powerful to create them. Because the cause is timeless it has to be changeless. Because it is changeless it has to be immaterial because material things always change. Because the cause is timeless, and it has no beginning. The cause also has to be uncaused. If the cause has a cause, then there will be infinite regress. So the cause must be uncaused. The nature of the cause is not made up by theists to prove God's existence. We make these conclusions is based on analysis of the facts. Now the deistic objection is, why can't that cause be a force, why it is necessary that it should be a mind? The answer to this objection is, philosophers have recognized that there is only two entities that meet the characteristics spaceless, timeless, immaterial, that is, abstract objects or a mind. We know abstract objects can't create anything or don't have causal power, so the cause must be a mind. So the cause is mind, who created this universe. There is a book written by William Lane Craig, an American Christian apologist and a philosopher. The book name is The Kalam Cosmological Argument, where he defends the Kalam Cosmological Argument. So the argument points to God, a spaceless, timeless, immaterial, unchanging, all-powerful, beginningless, uncaused being. So it is sure that God exists. The Kalam Cosmological Argument proves the existence of God. So be sure in our faith in God, we can be certain there is a God. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.